Hey, good morning. It's Bob, Trade Genius, the 30th of December. I want to talk about how we use other altcoins to protect our Bitcoin position. Okay, so a lot of people here now, if I just flip on Bitcoin here real quick, is that, you're looking here, hey, we had a nice, beautiful move higher. Our signal was signaling here when we got to around 16,000 that, hey, this move's probably ending. We talked about before, you establish a position underneath your current price where the signal hits, and then you go ahead and you ride it up until you get taken out. Now, there's a couple things. If you're a hodler, okay, I'm going to talk about a strategy for you. If you're a trader and you got out here, great. Now you're waiting for the next buy signal. And if you're a trader like myself who likes to take a little bit off the top and bring it back in lower to keep bringing the average down, is now you're waiting for the next buy signal, but you're holding a position. And just from a futures trader's perspective here, is you have a high volume area to a low volume area. It's testing this low volume area here, okay, and then we look for the next buy signal. The flash crash went all the way back down to this ledge here of support, and as long as this holds, you got the uptrend line here, you can look for this thing to start moving higher again. But it really doesn't matter, okay, because the nice thing about Bitcoin is that you can short other coins against Bitcoin, and their value, in my view, will fall faster than Bitcoin will, preserving the value of your Bitcoin position. And so what I have done is that shorted Litecoin against Bitcoin. And as you can see, Litecoin is falling faster than Bitcoin. Remember, it had this big, huge run. Now you got a sell signal here, and I'm using the margin account to basically protect Bitcoin against Litecoin, which I think is going to fall even further. So one thing you're going to need to check out is the margin account. You need to, you could trade other coins against it. Litecoin's just one of them. I've traded Stellar against Bitcoin before. I've traded Ripple against Bitcoin before. So it all depends on what you think is going to be a coin that's weaker. The nice thing about being in the trading room is that traders are talking about these things all the time. We have our signal that's telling us, giving us indication to whether bulls are in control or bears are in control. And as you can see from this Litecoin position here, is that we had a sell here once it popped up and popped over this channel. Phil's looking for it to get back down to this ledge here, and if this ledge fails, look down to get to this ledge here. It's going to fall much faster than Bitcoin will. So you can protect your Bitcoin position, and if Bitcoin keeps selling off, you don't care, because you're holding it against something that's even weaker and moving even farther faster to a lower price. So I just want to kind of point that out to you. There's a lot of ways to skin this cat, and you don't have to worry about the naysayers or the bubble talkers or the schadenfreuders or whomever's out there. You're a trader. Your goal in doing this is to make money, and so these are strategies to help you. So looking for to try to share those with you. So we're running specials. Get in the room, and I mean, just what you're learning from these videos and from what you'll learn in the trading room and getting the software is going to be worth a lot to you going forward. Just the money we save you in some of these trades and some of these suggestions are we think are invaluable. So I just want to point that out to you. So I don't care. I'm not stressing. Bitcoin can do what Bitcoin needs to do to get its consolidation out of the way, because I know Litecoin and other coins are weaker against it. And so I just wanted to share that with you. You guys have a good one, and we'll put some more videos out a little bit later. Thanks. Bye-bye.